In this video, we are going to be visiting our favorite fandoms and see what we got from Fandomly Designs. Let's go check out those mystery packs. Hey everybody, welcome back to Local Love. It's Amanda, and I am here to tell you what I think. All right, guys, so we ordered another mystery pack, and as you can see, it is from Fandomly Designs. Okay, so obviously it's going to be like fan merch, you know, like fandom merch. And they are from Coral Springs, Florida. I found them on Etsy, and they offered a mystery pack. Now, with the mystery packs, like I've been doing in the past, we've been ordering 2 items. That way we could see if it's going to be the same or if they're going to mix it up. Now, mind you, I did it in the same order, so probably not the best way to do that. I probably should have ordered one and then made a separate order. But my guess is they would have still figured it out that it was the same person ordering it. So unless I did it later, it wouldn't have worked out too hot. So at any rate, this is going to be like jewelry items. Typically, she has different mystery packs, actually. They have an enamel penguin, which I might have to do that in the future. So if you're into different fandoms like Harry Potter or Star Wars or Star Trek or whatever your fandom might be, they have a variety of different things that will definitely, you know, be your thing most likely. They have stickers, they have enamel pins, they have a variety of stuff on their site. So make sure that you go and check out Fandomly Designs on Etsy and let them know that Local Love sent you their way. So let's open this up and see what we got. Now, mind you, it does say here when I opened it, I paid, let's see, I got 2 items, okay, which should have been $3 a piece, okay, which would have been a total of 2 items. Yeah, because I ordered $3 for 1 item, so each mystery box was going to be $3. Okay, so I got 2 of them, and you can see what we paid. Now, you do have to pay shipping with this one, but it is a flat rate, so it doesn't matter how many you order, you're going to pay it once. Okay, now something that and I don't know why, but for whatever reason, not only does she give you a code to use in her store later on when you make a purchase, it says enjoy the extras, big smiley face. Now again, I didn't let these people know that I'm a YouTuber or that I'd be reviewing these publicly or anything, so I don't know if she just did it because she had a bunch of extras or if it was just something she wanted to do. So let's see what all we got in here. All right, so let's start with the first item I pulled out, and I think I'm going to take it out of here, so bear with me, guys, while I pull it out of these tiny little bag. This is a ring, and it is definitely from the Harry Potter franchise. Now, I could definitely not wear this ring. Maybe I'm a pinky. But as you can see, it is a Deathly Hallows and Harry Potter's glasses with the lightning bolt. And I'm sure I have friends or family that could probably wear it. I can wear it on my pinky if I really wanted to, but that's pretty darn cute, I think. So there you go. We've got that. So that came with it. There's one of our items that we got. And again, that alone would probably be worth the $3 I spent, right? I mean, it's not a bad deal. So let's see what we got. I'm really excited to see what extras she's talking about. So let's go to the next thing we pull out. All right. All right, let's pull this one out of its little plastic thingy. Looks like it has a resealable bag, I think. Yes. It definitely does. All right, so this looks like a necklace or an anklet. Let's take a peek. And I haven't pulled these out yet, so I don't really know what is here. Let me just untangle it, and then I'll show it off. And if I get the fandom wrong, please feel free to correct me because I may not know. This is going to be one of those situations where I have 0 clue. Oh, wait, no. This is, oh, actually, I love this. I actually might have to keep this for myself. I didn't get it at first. Do you know what this is from? Let me get it to where it'll focus a little bit. I figured it out. It's Hunger Games. Now, I love the Hunger Games. I don't know. I know it's kind of old school at this point, but that's a Hunger Games necklace. You got the Mockingjay right here and the little trident And I'm not sure what that is. It looks like fire. I think it's supposed to represent some of the people. But there you go, are the different areas, the different... What's funny to me is the center, though. Maybe I'm wrong, because when you look at the center looks like a Deathly Hallows symbol. So I could be completely wrong, but to me this looks like the Mockingjay, right? I'm not crazy. That is the Mockingjay from Hunger Games. So maybe it's a crossover. I don't know, but I love it, and well worth our $3, I think. Maybe you don't agree. I mean, it's not fine jewelry or anything. It's literally just probably pewter, or hopefully not nickel, but it could be. It doesn't say. Either way, you can always paint it with some clear nail polish if it's something that's not suiting to you. But I mean, that would be a great gift for somebody who's a fan of that particular franchise. Now this bag is still pretty heavy, so I'm excited to see what else we have here, because we only ordered 2 and we paid $6. So everything you see here, it's a total of $6 that I'm getting. All right, so I'm guessing, and again, I'm probably wrong. I'm not great at all these franchises, guys. But to me, this is another, either an anklet or a bracelet. Let's take a look. Little thingy, it's a necklace. Okay. So on this necklace, it does say Bolar. Hold on. Bolar. I'm gonna mess it up, guys. Oh, this is I know what this is. This is Game of Thrones. Bolar Morghulis, and I'm probably saying that wrong, but that looks like the little Game of Thrones symbol in the O. It's probably not coming through on here, but if you're a Game of Thrones fan, this might be a great one for a friend. And again, this would be well worth the $3, but right now everything else we're getting for free. She literally threw in extras, and it looks like she might have thrown in a few extras, because that was our first extra right there, right? No, yes, that was our first extra. So in addition to the 2 items we ordered, there's 3 right there, right? Let's see what else we got, because there's still more in this bag. Wow, feels like there's quite a bit more in here. Oh, this is Flash, and it looks like another necklace. My nephews would probably love this and fight over it, so I hope there's something else they like in there. All right, so this is a Flash symbol, if I'm not crazy. To me, this looks like the Flash. Very cute. And it's a, you know, it's a pretty small chain. You can always swap out chains, and you could use cord or whatever you want, but for $3. And again, a total of 6 that we paid, and so far we got 4 items. We're already double what we should have gotten. So I don't know why she sent extras, but thank you very much, Fandomly Designs. We certainly appreciate it. Maybe she recognized my name, I don't know. But either way, we appreciate her, because there's still more in this bag. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see what else we got in this one. This is so kind for them to send so much. This looks like a bracelet. Oh, maybe not, maybe a necklace. I'm wrong, it is a necklace. And let me just take a look at it here, see if I can figure it out. Oh, this is Walking Dead for sure. Now, I love Walking Dead. Now on here, on the Walking Dead one, you got Rick's hat. His little, whoops, let's try that again, the sheriff's hat. So on this you have Rick's sheriff's hat from The Walking Dead. You have his gun. Very cute, very cute. And then it says, keep calm and kill zombies. I don't know if it's coming out very good on here. Let's try it again. Let's get a little light. There it goes. Keep calm and kill zombies is what it says. Well, that is really cute. So if you're a Walking Dead fan, I mean, that would be worth your $3 for, you know, a mystery pack or something like that. Definitely highly recommend you get yourself a mystery pack. Again, I don't know if you'll get more than the items that you purchased, but for whatever reason, we're getting a lot of extras here. And right now we have 3 more than we paid for. So this is pretty awesome. They're very big fans of this company right now. And there's still another item in there, I think. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's see what we have here. I'm probably gonna get this one wrong because it doesn't look familiar. We got kitties down here that are demanding that I pet them. So if you hear a kitty mewing, you know why. Come here, Pipes. Come here. Come up here. I'm trying to get him to come on camera, but he's being shy. Oh, I like that this has a ball chain. All right, guys, this one's on you. I'm not gonna know what this is. Maybe it's Star Wars or something. I don't know. I don't recognize it. I'm sure that you guys are probably screaming at me right now to tell me what this is. But it is on a lovely ball chain. And I mean, I have trouble with necklaces in general. Look how quickly that goes on with me. I mean, and it sits in a nice spot and everything. So this is really very nice. I would say this is definitely worth more than $3. And that is really heavy too. I mean, it's not light. It doesn't look like garbage. I mean, it's very nice, very clearly done. And a ball chain to boot. This is nice quality right here for what we're paid, you know. We paid a total of $6, and so far we have 6 items. Already we have 6 items, even though I only ordered 2. Pretty wild. Maybe they thought because I ordered 2, they'd go ahead and throw in some extras. I'm not sure how Fandomly works. I don't know these people. I haven't talked to them before. It's just something I decided to do on a whim. All right, and I think, oh my, you can believe this. I think we have 2 more items. Let's just pull them both out. Yep, these are the last 2. So we had a total of 8 items. That's crazy. I am so over the moon for that. I mean, $6 and we got 8 pieces of jewelry, right? Pretty dope. All right, we got another necklace here. And I think this is just a costume jewelry piece. I don't think it represents a fandom. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's a wand or something. If you recognize this, maybe it's from a particular fandom. Certainly correct me in the comments down below. We'd love to hear from you guys more, by the way. Please comment. Let us know if you like what we're doing. If you want to see something different. If you're like, hey, get that bum off of there. Amanda's terrible. Whatever it is, tell us in the comments below. Hopefully it's not the last one. You know, I've been here a long time doing this, and we love you guys, and we love to try to promote as much local stuff as we can. And, you know, when in doubt, you do something from Florida, and this one's from Coral Springs, Florida. So we do our very best to try to get you guys as close to home as possible on events and things you can buy so you can support our local community. All right, let's open this last item. And I think it might be another Walking Dead item, but it's different. All of these, by the way, there's been no repeats in this. This has all been unique items. No repeats whatsoever. Pretty wild. So we're going to open this last package and see what we have here. I'm sure you guys are going to scream at me as to what it is, but I see a musical note, like a treble clef, and then I see, whoops, there goes one of my bags, a little gun, and then there's a little round here that says, I am not throwing away my shot. Yeah, I am not throwing away my shot. Hopefully you guys can see that there. I don't know. I'm sure it's from some particular fandom. Off the top of my head, I don't know. Clearly has something to do with music, which has got a gun too. I don't know. I'm not sure about that one. It says I'm not throwing away my shot. But either way, very nice piece. I mean, this is a pretty hefty piece too. Lost my bag. I'm gonna have to go get it, I guess. But you get the idea. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. I paid $6. That's less than $1 an item, guys. If you do not go over to Fandomly Designs and check them out, you are missing out on an opportunity. Not only are their mystery packs bomb, they have so many wonderful things on their site. So make sure that you check it out. Let them know that Local Love sent you when you go, that Amanda from Local Love, and that we loved our order. I'm going to leave a review for these guys because I think they were outstanding. And one more time, that is Fandomly Designs. Okay, so make sure that you pop in there and let them know what your fandom is. They have other mystery packs. They have stickers as well as enamel pin mystery packs. So I might have to do some of those in the future because I loved what they sent us so much. I'm going to put all my little items away here. But at any rate, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. This was such a thrill to get such an amazing deal for so little money. So we really have to give high marks to Fandomly Designs. Thank you guys so much for our order. We greatly appreciate you, and we hope that your shop does great. I hope you get to see this video. I'll probably send these folks that I review in my What You Think an email so that they don't miss out on their shop being reviewed. You can always learn a little something, whether you had a good review or a bad review, you can always learn. So Make sure you guys reach out to them, let them know where you saw them. And yeah, thank you guys as always. We appreciate you guys for watching. Do you know of a local Etsy shop or mystery type of box that we can get here that is Florida or Orlando or something like that? Hit us up, let us know. Definitely comment down below. You can inbox us on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. That's where we're the most active. If you're not already familiar with us, on our page on Facebook, we have an event page posted at the top of the page for every day of the week. So you don't want to miss that. Also, Wednesdays, we do our local love report. Don't want to miss out on that because it lets you know on Wednesday how you can prepare for your upcoming weekend, whether you're going to go out, whether you're going to stay in. We try to include as many of both items as possible. So there's stuff you can do from home and stuff that you can go out and around town to do, like concerts and things like that. Make sure that if you like what we're doing, guys, that you subscribe and share us with all your friends, because we would love to get to know you guys and have you guys be part of our Local Love family. Now, if you eat, sleep, and shop local, guys, you are a localtarian. And I hope that you like that. Also, guys, we do have merch, including ones that say localtarian. But today I'm wearing my Keto Amorous shirt that I actually designed myself. So Keto Amorous. If you guys are familiar with the keto diet, I am currently, should be on it, and I'm not yet, but I will be. Keto Amorous just means we love our keto, baby. So yeah, check it out. And look at all our other merch. We've got localtarian shirts. There's a lot of neat stuff on there. And you can find that link down in the description as well. Other than that, guys, peace. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.